Struggling to use the Taobao app because everything's in Chinese? You're not alone. But guess what? There is a way to change the language without using any external app, and I'll show you exactly how in this video. Stick around till the end for a bonus trick that'll make browsing even easier. Alright, let's dive into how to change the language on the Taobao app without using any third-party tools. Step 1. Open the Taobao app. Launch the Taobao app on your Android or iOS device. Make sure it's updated to the latest version to see all the available settings. Step 2. Go to your profile section. Tap on the Me icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. This will take you to your personal dashboard. Step 3. Access settings. In your profile page, look for the gear icon in the top right corner. This is your settings menu. Tap on it. Step 4. Find the language option. Scroll through the settings menu until you see something that looks like Yuyan, which means language in Chinese. Tap on it. If you don't see it immediately, look for Doyuyan Shizhe, multi-language settings. Step 5. Choose your language. You'll now see a list of languages available. Select English or any other language you prefer. The app will refresh and the interface will now appear in that language. Yes, it's that simple. No need for external apps or complicated workarounds. Bonus tip. Here's a bonus tip. If you still see product listings in Chinese after changing the app language, use the built-in image translator in Google Lens or copy text into Google Translate. Also, many sellers respond to English messages if you keep it simple. Now that you know how to change the language on the Taobao app without any external app, has this made things easier for you? Drop a comment and let me know if it worked for you, or if you have more questions about Taobao. Don't forget to like this video, hit subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss out on more tech fixes and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping on Taobao.